Hey guys, have you been trying to build your business in affiliate marketing and you're looking for ways to actually get more lead sales and signups? So you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over some strategies that you can use to build and grow your business online. And this is exactly how I went from zero to make my first 100K online. And income disclaimer, I'm not saying that you can, but if you follow the steps that I'm laying out for you, it is possible for you with work and skill, right? So you have to put in work and you have to build up your skill set. But once you have that, and if you understand marketing the right way, then you will be able to get results. So, basically, you want to be branded online. So, when I say branded, you want to have some social proof. So, if you look down here, here's some social proof that I have. You want to have your own custom branded page so you could stand out. And if you're using social media, if you're using things like Facebook and YouTube, it really helps because people on Facebook are like your warm market, and you want to be able to reach out to those people because they're already connected to you. They see what you post, they see what you're about, everything like that. So you want to be able to use Facebook and you want to be able to create content in the form of video. But those people that see your video, they need a place to go. So they come to a page like this, which you can click on the link below this video to come to this page. They put in their contact information to learn more information, right? So if you're trying to give people information about how you accomplished a certain goal that you had, you're going to create a page like this. And then whenever they opt in, whenever they put their name or email in, they become a lead, right? So if you're using YouTube, you can get a lot of high quality leads. People who are searching for what you have to offer, right? So they're searching for you. You are the solution. You get in front of the right people and they buy from you. That's kind of how it works. So you're solving somebody's problem, right? So it's not so much sales. I mean, products do get sold, but you're helping somebody to solve a problem. That's how you got to look at your marketing, right? You always want to figure out ways to help people to solve problems. It's like a psychiatrist, right? Or like a psychologist. You go to them and they give you tools to help you to solve your problem, right? So this is kind of the same kind of thing. And it is all the way that you think about your marketing. I think about my marketing as I want to help as many people as possible to reach results online and to make their first dollar online, right? If you could make $1 online, you can make $100 online. If you can make $100 online, you can make $1,000 online. If you can make $1,000 online, you can make $10,000 online. If you can make 10,000, you can make 100,000, right? So sales is all about connections with people and connecting the people that you come in contact with to your product or service that can help them, right? So this is exactly what we do in our marketing. We have a page to capture leads so you can build an email list, right? So when the people get onto your email list, then you can do email marketing and follow up with them. So I have a whole funnel system right here that will show you how to do that the right way, right? So we set this up for you. So if you've been struggling to make money online in your affiliate marketing offer, then you're going to want to click on the link below this video, come to this page and put your information in, because I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to get these results. You're going to learn the process so you do it the right way. So you're not trying to guess how to do it, right? So, that's basically what you need to do. Once you have your sales funnel set up, you come over here to profitbettertraffic.com where you can get high quality traffic. If you're looking for paid traffic, this is definitely the place. Now, why should you get traffic from me? You should get traffic from me because I actually help you to get targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I help you to make sure that your sales copy and your capture page are congruent to your offer. And I want you to make sure you get high quality traffic um, and you get the high quality sources to your offers, right? You need to know the sources that you're getting traffic from. So this is what I actually show you how to do, right? And then I know how to do this the best because I was $87,000 in debt and I was able to turn it all around. and I was able to become a top producer in affiliate marketing, right? And you need to know what you're doing, and you need to know that you're doing it the right way, right? And people spend thousands of dollars on coaching. You don't need to do that, right? All you need to do is come over here and get a traffic package from me, and then we actually have a strategy call, right? And I help you to get leads from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPM marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic from those sources. And what I help you to do is I help you to set up and manage your funnel and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages that convert up to 85% opt-in rate. So if you've been getting a low opt-in rate or little to no results, then it's good that you order from me because I help you to increase your conversions. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates because it's very important. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, because when you have highly engaged people, then they keep coming back to you, they're responsive, and they buy whatever you have. As long as you build a relationship with them, then you will get those results, right? So step one is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Step two is we do a campaign review with a strategy call. So I go over your funnel. I tell you how you can actually improve it. I give you strategy on how you could get sales and make sales on a consistent basis. And I show you how I actually do my strategy. I'll go over strategies with you that will actually work for you no matter what kind of opportunity you're in, to be able to get better results, right? So if you're able to help people to build what they want to build, then you get what you want too, right? So that's what I show you how to do. And I show you how to make money from people who tell you no, right, to your primary opportunity, right? So if you've ever wanted to make money from your no's, you're going to want to connect with me so that way we can have a strategy call. And step three is we launch your campaign within 3 days or less, and I help you to understand how to do this the right way. So here's some of my results right here: 200 clicks, 3 sales, and there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at these for yourself. And my guarantee to you is, um, you know, if you get traffic from here, I would say you would want to get at least 200 clicks or above. 100 clicks isn't really going to do much, and 100% tier one is always the best you could get. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So, look at these questions to make sure your question is not down here, right? And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. So that's basically what you get when you order traffic from me, and I help you along the way. I help you to build your business. I give you feedback. I give you access to our groups. I help you to plug in to understand how to do marketing the right way, to get different strategies to do your marketing. And if you have any questions, you can reach out down here, or you can leave a comment underneath this video, and I will respond to your comment under this video. But make sure you definitely reach out. You can also get to my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video for that as well. And you could get to the traffic store by clicking on this link below this video. Also, so there's a link for the traffic store, there's a link for the capture page, and there's a link for the Facebook group, so you can contact me on Facebook. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.